Assalamu alaikum class. Last time we have studied about isomerism and different types of isomerism. In this video lecture we will discuss about functional group and different examples of functional group. First of all, its definition is, what is functional group? Functional group is a single bond, or a double bond, it may be triple bond, it may be an atom, or it may be group of atoms which gives specific properties to a molecule, which gives specific properties to a molecule. Now again, going back to definition, what is functional group? Functional group is a single bond, or it is a double bond, or it may be a triple bond, or it is an atom, or it is group of an atoms which give specific properties to a molecule. For example, alcohols. In this case, an alkyl group is attached with hydroxyl. What is the functional group in this molecule? Hydroxyl is the functional group in this molecule. OH is a group of atoms, so it is acting as a functional group in alcohols. Now moving towards some examples of functional groups. First example is about single bond. Here is the name. General formula. And here will be an example. First one is Alkane. First one is Alkane. In alkane, there is single bond in between carbon and carbon atom, and its general formula is carbon single bond carbon, linkage here, here and here. There may be any atom, hydrogen and other atoms like other carbon atom or alkyl groups. For example, CH3, single bond CH3. It's ethane. And in this case, we are looking that there is a single bond. If a molecule contains single bond, then we can say that it's related to alkane. Next is alkene. In case of alkene, there is double bond in between carbon atoms. For example, if I place hydrogen atoms, then it is ethene. It is ethene. Third example is Alkyne. Alkyne. In case of alkyne, there is triple bond in between carbon atoms, and its example is ethyne. It is ethyne. These are the basic hydrocarbons which belongs to saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. And now we are looking that in this case single bond is acting as a functional group, and in this case double bond is acting as a functional group, and in case of alkyne there is triple bond. And if any compound contains triple bond and those atoms forming triple bond are actually carbon atoms, then we can say these are alkyne. Now moving toward the next functional groups. Next functional group is alcohol. Alcohol. If one hydrogen is replaced in alkane with hydroxyl group, then it forms alcohol class, and its general formula is R single bond hydroxyl. If any alkyl group has hydroxyl, then we can say this compound, this molecule belongs to alcohol family. For example, CH3, CH2 and OH. It's ethanol. It's ethanol. We can also say it as ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Next example is ether. Ether linkage or simply ether. In this case, one alkyl group is bonded with oxygen, and that oxygen is bonded with another alkyl group. For example, CH3, single bond oxygen, single bond CH3. It is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Next example is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. We can analyze it by its names that alkyl means or any group which has lesser one hydrogen, and in this case alkyl group is or, and halide means halogen, X atom, and X atom is related to halogen family. Halogen family belongs to 7th A group, and it may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, and Ester. These are the members of halogen family. Its example is CH3, CH2, Cl, ethyl chloride, ethyl chloride. Next example is amines. Amines. In this case, one hydrogen in alkane is replaced with NH2 group, and its general formula is R N H and H. This hydrogen may be replaced with another alkyl group, forming secondary and tertiary amines. For example, CH3 NH2, it is methyl amine. Methyl amine. Now moving toward next functional group, carboxylic acid. carboxylic acid. Its general formula is alkyl group, carbon, double bond oxygen and hydroxyl OH. And example is CH3 COOH, acidic acid or ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Next example is Ester. Here is ether and this functional group is ester. If we replace this hydrogen with alkyl group, then it forms ester or carbon double bond oxygen OR. It is ester. CH3 COOH CH3. Methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. If we replace this hydroxyl group with chlorine Cl or any halogen, then it forms acid halide. Then next functional group is acid halide. Acid halide. OR group, single bond carbon, double bond oxygen, X atom. And X belongs to halogen family. It may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. For example, CH3 single bond C, double bond O and Cl. It is acid chloride. Acid chloride. Another functional group is carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. Carbonyl group has two main functional groups. First is aldehyde and second is ketone. In case of aldehyde, R group, carbon, double bond oxygen and hydrogen. In this case, the main carbon atom is actually bonded to hydrogen atom and it is aldehyde. Aldehyde. Next type of carbonyl group is ketone. R group, carbon double bond oxygen single bond R group. It is ketone. In case of aldehyde, both sides or both bonds connecting to carbon atom may be hydrogen atom. And in this case of ketone, if alkyl group is attached with the carbon, it may not be hydrogen. We cannot place hydrogen over this or here. If we place hydrogen, then it becomes aldehyde. For example, CH3, carbon double bond oxygen, here it will be hydrogen. It is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. And in case of ketone, CH3, single bond carbon, double bond oxygen, CH3. And it is known as acetone. Acetone. Some other functional groups you can also study about nitriles anhydrides, cyano groups, and so many other sulfonic groups. But these are the main functional groups that we study in our major syllabus. If you have question regarding functional group or its type, you people may ask, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you can view my previous video lectures in description. I have mentioned those videos with their description links. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.